Hello friends, and welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. I am not going to promote any of my own stuff today. I'm just going to direct you to other YouTubers who I think are doing a good job, and they have specific investing or trading ideas, and some of them may offer subscriptions as well as their free content, but they all offer at least some free content. Before we get started, please make your own decisions. Don't buy or sell anything just because somebody else is doing it. You have to make your own decisions, okay? So here we go. This is a gentleman who I think deserves to have more YouTube subscribers. His name, his internet name is Compound Interest Stock Guy. And with all these, I'm going to put links in the description below the video so you can get there quickly and easily. But a lot of the times you can just type in the name into the YouTube search box and it'll take you right there. All right, so Compound Interest Stock Guy, and he puts out a lot of regular content every day or every few days. I like that. And just really specific ideas and concepts, a lot of commodities kinds of stuff, but stocks as well, which is pretty cool, and some very specific stock ideas as well, which I really, really like. So definitely worth checking out, and a lot of content from Compound Interest Stock Guy. Check it out. The next one is Andrew Trapman, and if you, again, type this into the YouTube search box, it'll take you right there, or click on the link in the description below this video. Definitely deserves to have more subscribers, and he's into the gold, he's into the silver, the oil trading and investing, but also some super specific ideas as well, and some interesting, unique angles, some concepts and some companies that you might not have thought of, might not have really heard much about. But I like the fact that he's into the gold as well, and the silver, which is pretty cool. All right, so there's Andrew Trapman. Worth checking out. Here's one with an interesting name, Baby. Become a Better You, B-A-B-Y. He's moving up with the subscribers, though. He's got a very interesting logo there, too. But regular content being put out, looks like every few days, and some very specific ideas, 5G ideas, and just 3 stocks to buy in May, Indian stocks, and growth stocks. And I like his thumbnails. His thumbnail images are very creative, which is a great way to get more subscribers. All right, that's a technique that I use as well, as you know. Interesting thumbnail images. Got to get people's attention, right? B-A-B-Y, Become a Better You. Check it out. Here's somebody who has interviewed me. I've interviewed him. Great guy, super nice guy. Former CBOE floor trader. Lots of experience, decades of experience in the markets, options trader, VIX product trader, moving up with the subscribers, getting lots of subscribers, but I want to see him have more, for sure. And he's got some long form, half hour, full hour videos here, as well as some shorter ones. He'll answer your questions. I see him do live streams all the time. He gets creative like I do with the thumbnails. All right, but I think that's okay. And interviews with some great traders. Check him out. You could type in VIX Crush, David Lincoln, however you want to get there. Short Vol Show, that'll get you there as well. Or click in the link in the description. Here's a very unique one, Erin T. Scott. You can see the solar panels, and so she's not only about the trading and the investing, but she does have trading and investing ideas, as you can see here. Reporting on what's going on and giving you some ideas on where to go from here. Again, you have to make your own decisions, though. All right, and market analysis, very smart, very smart lady here. And just so unique with the way she approaches things, sustainable living, getting off the grid, how to grow your own crops there. I think it's pretty cool. All right, so it's all about a whole lifestyle here, not just trading or investing. Homesteading, as you can see, very cool stuff. So that's Erin T. Scott. Type it into the YouTube search box or go to the link. And she's moving up with the subscribers. A growing channel. I like that. Speaking of moving up with the subscribers, Rich TV Live, coming out of Canada. He passed the 20,000 mark on the subscribers. Very cool. But I still want to see him have more. And he is constantly putting out content. All right, it looks like every day lately. It's multiple times a day. I think that's pretty cool. And he's building a community. He's live streaming right now about what's going on. And he has a lot of videos of just about what's going on, you know, in his area, Vancouver. So it's not just about stocks, but it is definitely about stocks. I've seen him talk about cryptocurrencies as well. But you know, lately a lot of content being put out and strategies and breaking news. He's all about the breaking news. Plenty of content. Rich TV Live. Next one, Trade Out Loud with Anka Metcalf. I've met her. Very nice, and she's all about. And I presented a seminar at one of her seminar. I was a featured person there, and hope to do it again. It was a lot of fun, and she's all about the futures and the commodities, overall market ideas as well, though, and puts out a lot of content. Plenty of content, and she'll talk about the oil markets, gold, S&Ps, NASDAQ, good stuff. And if you're interested in trading futures, commodities, things like that, it's a good starting point. So check it out, Trade Out Loud with Anka Metcalf. Speaking of commodities, Kirk Spano, Fundamental Trends. If you type it into the YouTube search box, you'll find him. And he is more long-term. So he has some short-term ideas as well. But if you're into the long-term, and if you're into commodities and the market indexes, he's worth checking out. And he puts out content pretty much. I see him putting out content every week. He may put it out more often than that, but I see him on a weekly basis. And they're more long-form videos. You know, like he's got one that's an hour here. A lot of them are about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour. That's pretty typical length of content for him. So he goes deep into it. And a lot of fundamental investigations into what's going on. But he's into the charts as well. So that's Kirk Spano, Fundamental Trends. And I've had him on my channel. I've had a lot of these people on my channel. And I want to see him have more subscribers. Definitely. The Profit Room with Latoya. I've had Latoya on my channel. She's great. She's very personable, has just a great personality for putting out YouTube content. I think it's pretty cool. So check her out. And she's into the charts. Fundamentals too, but you're going to see a lot of charting on her channel here. So the Profit Room with Latoya, I want to see more subscribers there for sure. So check it out. And then bull markets with Troy Bombardia. Troy Bombardia has been on my channel, and Troy has bull markets here for his channel, and I want to see him grow it. And he's very, very technical based. Lots of charting stuff, and great thumbnails here. Very cool. So if you're into the charts, but fundamentals too, and just a lot of research. So check it out. All right, bull markets with Troy Bombardia, and these links are all in the description below this video. And those were 10 of them. Here's number 11, a bonus one. Which might not be so much trading ideas in the traditional sense like the other ones that I showed you, but this one's trading quotes, and I think it's pretty cool. You can gain wisdom through quotes, through well-known and maybe somewhat not so well-known traders and investors throughout the ages. From John Templeton, Peter Lynch, Warren Buffett, of course, right? Plenty of quotes from him, and just some Ray Dalio, all the greats, and maybe some that you've never heard of: Charles Dow, Jesse Livermore, and he puts out regular content, which I like, and that's a great way to learn. A lot of people don't learn from the great traders and investors throughout history as much as they should. So I think this is worth checking out. All right. Okay, so lots of content, a lot of free content, to check out on YouTube. I mean, you could really get lost going down the rabbit hole with all the trading and investing. So please be careful. Pick and choose. Who you invest with and whom you subscribe to. But I think these are some great ones, or some good ones at least, that offer some free content that are worth checking out. All right, look, I'm not going to promote any of my stuff here, so go check them out. All right, and hey, thanks a lot for tuning in. I'll talk to you again soon.